Welcome to PlantHaven Digital Trials, coming to you from Santa Barbara, California. Expanding our popular Mystic Dahlia program, we're delighted to introduce Mystic Wizard for this season. This is the newest, greatest and best selection from Dr. Keith Hammond in New Zealand. Mystic Wizard has wonderful, rich magenta jewel tone flowers above the dark ebony foliage. This program is absolutely fantastic in 1 gallon and 2 gallon production crops. The plants in front of me are 14 weeks from a 72 cell. We recommend growing them as 1 gallons and 2 gallons. They are also fantastic if you look at planting them between week 14 and 20. That will give you a specimen plant for Halloween and fall sales opportunities. We're delighted to add Mystic Wizard to our premium Mystic Dahlia program for this season.